Note: the A-side system board cannot be removed unless the B-side system board has been removed. Remove the B-side access panel. Remove all hard drives. Remove all hard drive blanks. Remove the B-side front panel hard drive cage assembly. Remove the B-side left DIMM baffle. Remove the B-side right DIMM baffle. Remove all DIMMs. Remove the interposer board. Remove the B-side mezzanine cards if installed. Remove the B-side heatsinks. Remove the B-side processors. Remove the 8 thumb screws from the B-side system board. Remove the screw from the system board handle. Lift the handle up, then lift the system board up and out of the server. Remove the A-side access panel. Remove the A-side front panel hard drive cage assembly. Remove the A-side left DIMM baffle. Remove the A-side right DIMM baffle. Remove all DIMMs. Remove the A-side mezzanine cards if installed. Remove the A-side heatsinks. Remove the A-side processors. Remove the 3 thumb screws from the A-side system board. Slide the board back and lift it up and out of the server. To replace, reverse the removal procedure.